Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vintage Model Company. Today we're talking to one of our designers, Chris Long, about some of the future projects that he's doing for our model aeroplane company. Chris is working on some really exciting projects, including a Hurricane and a Spitfire, which are conversions of our magnificent flying machines range, so the really small sort of micro balsa wood aircraft. There are some really exciting projects coming up, so I hope that you enjoy learning about them. Here are a few images of these Battle of Britain aircraft, the Hurricane and the Spitfire, and then we'll get talking to Chris about how he goes about designing. So, Chris, how did you get involved with the Vintage Model Company?
It was more by accident than anything else. I converted a VMC Camel to radio control, and the original designer, Andrew Darby, emailed me and said, could Vintage Model Company contact me to talk about RC conversions and RC aircraft in general.
What models are you working on at the moment? We've seen the Spitfire and Hurricane, and is it a Camel that you're working on as well?
I'm doing a productionised version of the Camel for VMC, but I'm also working on the Gladiator as well for the aerographics range,
right?
Which will go alongside the Oyster when the range is relaunched. I started aeromodelling when I was 7. When my father was into aeromodelling. I got into building and designing and building my own aircraft. And then when I got back into aeromodelling, with the advent of laser cutting and modern electronics, I thought this would be fun to do. And now I'm doing it for VMC. This is the aerographics Gladiator, which is being redesigned for laser cut and also for simplification of building as well. And this is the test piece. All the models that VMC produce in their own range are all test built to ensure that the parts fit as designed. This is the first conversion of the aerographics Oyster, converted for laser cutting, but also some changes to allow for adjustable ailerons and rudder and elevator, make trimming easier for the modeller. But also if they wish to convert it to lightweight RC, then that makes life easier. A couple of mosquitoes here. As I was explaining, my trainer mosquito, which is a Tony Nyhouse design version, and behind that is a Phil Nichols designed mosquito, 50-inch mosquito, all traditionally built balsa and ply. One of my own designs, which here is the Gladiator, which is a large version Gladiator, which was one of the first models I designed and built since returning to aeromodelling.
Is that a tiger moth back there, or some sort of moth?
That's a Dumas model tiger moth. Unfortunately not VMC, but and the Sabre is another Tony Nyhouse design, a recent plan, free in radio control and model and electronics magazine. So and that flies really well.
So it's EDF, is it?
It's EDF, yeah. I also convert other models. I mean, that's a New Zealand designed 1.5 strutter, which has been converted for RC as well. Training aircraft to make sure I keep my piloting skills such as they are up to scratch. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. If you did like this video, then click the like button down below. Obviously some of these planes that we talked about in this video haven't been released yet, but by the time you watch this video they might have been. Check out the links in the description to see all of that stuff and to get more information. And yeah, become more of a part of our little community and stay in touch. Alright, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. See you later.